Hello, and welcome. Today, we're diving into one of the most important topics for anyone looking to grow their wealth internationally: the 5 best cities to buy residential real estate properties as a foreign investor. Now, if you're someone who's serious about building wealth, you already know this. Real estate has been one of the most reliable ways to preserve and grow wealth for centuries. It's tangible, it's durable, and when chosen wisely, it can generate consistent income and long-term appreciation. But here's the thing: picking the right city to invest in is just as important as the property itself. Not all markets are created equal. Some cities are growth engines with high rental yields and favorable tax environments, while others are riddled with barriers for foreign investors. So today, we're going to break it all down for you. We've consulted experts, tax advisors, real estate fund managers, and financial advisors to create this list. These cities were chosen based on historic and potential growth, rental income, price appreciation, tax environment, and more. Let's get started. Number 1, Dubai, UAE. Let's begin with Dubai, a city that has transformed itself into a global hub for business, tourism, and luxury living. If you're a foreign investor, Dubai offers one of the most attractive environments in the world. First, let's talk taxes. In Dubai, there are no property taxes and no income taxes on rental income. That's right, 0. Compare that to many Western countries where taxes can eat into your profits, and you'll see why Dubai is so appealing. The rental yields here are also exceptional. You're looking at 5% to 7% on average, depending on the location and type of property. And with a large expat population fueling demand, there's no shortage of tenants. Another major advantage: foreigners can own freehold properties in designated areas. That means you have full ownership rights, making it a secure investment. Now, let's address the language barrier, or lack thereof. English is widely spoken in Dubai, especially in business and real estate. Whether you're dealing with agents, property managers, or lawyers, you'll have no trouble communicating. The cost of entry is also reasonable compared to other global cities. A 1-bedroom apartment in a prime area will cost you around $300,000. If you're interested in learning more, your first stop should be the Dubai Land Department or a reputable real estate agency like Better Homes. Number 2, Austin, USA. Next up, we have Austin, Texas, one of the fastest growing cities in the United States. Now, when you think of Austin, think of tech companies, innovation, and a booming population. Austin has been a magnet for tech giants like Tesla, Apple, and Google, and this has created a surge in demand for housing. As a foreign investor, this is exactly what you want: a city where people are moving in, not out. Rental demand here is strong, and property prices have been appreciating steadily. The average cost of a 1-bedroom apartment in central Austin is around $450,000. While that might seem steep, the growth potential more than justifies the price. Another big advantage of Austin is its tax environment. Texas has no state income tax, which makes it attractive for both residents and investors. However, keep in mind that the U.S. tax system can be complex for foreign investors, so you'll want to work with a knowledgeable tax advisor. English, of course, is the primary language, and the city is incredibly friendly to foreign investors. To start your research, check out local real estate platforms like Zillow or connect with a trusted agent in the area. Number 3, Lisbon, Portugal. Coming in at number 3 is Lisbon, the capital of Portugal. Now, Lisbon has been gaining a lot of attention from foreign investors, and for good reason. First, let's talk about the Golden Visa program. This program allows foreign investors to gain residency in Portugal by investing in real estate. It's one of the best residency by investment programs in Europe, and it's a huge draw for people looking to establish a foothold in the EU. Lisbon also offers significant tax advantages under the Non-Habitual Residency (NHR) program. This program provides reduced taxes on certain types of income, including rental income, for up to 10 years. The cost of real estate in Lisbon is relatively affordable compared to other Western European capitals. A one-bedroom apartment in the city center will set you back about $250,000. Rental demand is strong, especially from tourists and digital nomads. And with Lisbon's growing reputation as a hub for remote workers, the potential for future appreciation is solid. English is widely spoken, especially among service providers like real estate agents and lawyers, so navigating the market is straightforward. If you're interested, start by exploring Portuguese real estate agencies or government websites dedicated to the Golden Visa program. Number 4, Singapore. At number 4, we have Singapore, a city-state that's known for its stability, strong economy, and excellent infrastructure. Singapore is one of the most expensive cities on this list, but it's also one of the most secure. The government here has created a highly regulated and transparent real estate market, which makes it incredibly appealing to foreign investors. Demand for residential properties is high, driven by limited land supply and a growing population. This ensures long-term appreciation potential. Now, let's talk taxes. Singapore does impose higher taxes on foreign buyers, including the additional buyer stamp duty, ABSD, which can be as high as 30%. However, the stability and legal protections you get here often outweigh the higher upfront costs. English is the primary language for business and law, so you'll have no trouble navigating the market. The average cost of a one-bedroom apartment in central Singapore is around $1,000. Yes, it's pricey, but for those looking for a stable, long-term investment, Singapore is hard to beat. To get started, check out the Singapore Land Authority or work with a major real estate firm like ERA Realty. Number 5, Berlin, Germany. Finally, we have Berlin, a city that's been a hotspot for foreign investors in Europe. Berlin offers a mix of affordability, strong rental demand, and consistent price appreciation. The average cost of a one-bedroom apartment in central Berlin is around $400,000, which is reasonable for a major European capital. One of Berlin's biggest draws is its stable economy. Germany is the economic powerhouse of Europe, and Berlin is at the heart of it. However, there are some challenges to keep in mind. Rent control laws in Berlin can limit how much you can charge tenants, so it's important to factor this into your calculations. On the flip side, these laws also ensure a steady demand for rental properties, as tenants are less likely to move out. English is becoming more widely used in Berlin, especially among younger generations and service providers. While you might encounter some language barriers, they're not insurmountable. To start your research, connect with local real estate agencies or explore German property investment platforms. So there you have it, the 5 best cities to buy residential real estate properties as a foreign investor. Each of these cities offers unique advantages, whether it's tax benefits, high rental yields, or strong growth potential. But remember, real estate investing isn't one size fits all. The best city for you will depend on your goals, budget, and risk tolerance. So, take the time to do your homework, consult with experts, and make informed decisions. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with someone who's thinking about investing in real estate. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.